It's Synolve. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day. I'm having an amazing day. I'm so excited. I am so excited fixing my hair. Why I always gotta fix my hair when I come on here? I don't know. But anyway, I am so excited. Today is the day of the Bougie and Ballin' on a Budget challenge with Synolve. It's the It's the $20 Burlington Coat Factory edition. So all you had to do was go out and shop Burlington and then show us what you got. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. So I'm very, very excited and extremely grateful to all of the ladies who are participating in this collab. Some amazing creators are joining me in this challenge, and so we're going to be posting and creating content, and I'm going to link it in the playlist below, and so that you guys can check out all of the amazing creators and see these amazing finds that they found at Burlington on a budget. And so we're bougie and balling on a budget. We're creating the life that we want. We're going to have everything we want in 2018, and nothing is going to hold us back. Nothing is going to stop us, not even a budget. We're going to live fabulously, and it's not even just about the clothes. It's about proving to ourselves that we can do this, that we can do this thing, and we can do this thing together, and we can find amazing, amazing finds. And so we are setting our budget for ourselves because we got businesses to conquer. We got things to do. We have things that we are planning for, vacations and awesome things. And so, you know, we're gonna look fabulous for less on a budget, and while we're creating this life that we want. That's what's important. So it's not about the things, we know that. It's about creating this life that we want. And so guys, I'm just really, really, really excited. All right. So you want to see what I got? Want to see what I got? All right. So, of course, you know, this challenge was started because my husband gave me a challenge. How you gonna give me a challenge? He gave me a challenge to go into Burlington and shop Burlington and shop it on $20. He was like, bitch, can't do it. Bitch, can't. Bitch, can't. Bitch, can't. Yes, your girl can. Yes, I can. And so, and I'll leave that original video that started all of this fabulousness, beginning with hubby giving me this challenge. I'll leave that link below too, so you can check out that video. All right. And so if you want to see what I got, how I'm bougie, how I'm living, ballin', bougie, and ballin' on a budget at Burlington for just $20, stay tuned. It's time to go shopping. This is going to be fun. And so I headed to the makeup first and started filling my basket. Well, Burlington really does have a great selection of makeup, a very high-end makeup from BB to Ellen Tracy and so much more. So I loved that. And then I headed over to these gorgeous, gorgeous shoes. And of course the clothes are on clearance. And oh, I'm shopping on a budget, so I'm going through looking for the things that I might like and that really are catching my eye. And so I'm looking at the prices because of course I'm on a budget, and that's my tip. I kind of gather all of the things that I like, and then I choose from those things what is my favorite. The big reveal. So what I got. This is what I got. I know you're going to be surprised. These. Yes. That's what I got. They are gorgeous. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yes, people, I wear a size 8. Anybody want to send me an 8? Here you go. The VO box is down below. All right, mess with you guys. All right, so they are Madden Girl. All right, y'all see that in there? I got this tag on. So they're Madden Girl, And then they have this beautiful flower detail here with the sparkle accents in the middle. I love these. And they were, did I stick to my budget? They were $19.99. And I did try these on in the store and walk around. No, I walked around. But I love these. They go so good with this. I love, 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 love these. And I love Kicks. I love Kicks. Yes. And so, you know, these are made by Steve Madden. This is a really, really nice brand. And I just when I saw them and then I tried them on, this was the first thing that I tried on in the store, these. And I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I think this is it. I was like, I think this is it. I think I found it. And I just could not leave these behind. And so I didn't. This is what I got. And so I think what this has really taught me is that you should get the things that you want. You know, it's not about going in grabbing something cheap or something that you don't like or something that you don't want. It's really, these had gone down on sale. And the tags are covered, so I don't know exactly how much they were. But I know that these have retailed, well, how much they were at Burlington. But I know these have retailed for like $80 and $90. So I love these. They're this cloth. Here, it's a very shiny, metallic-y silver, and I just think they're so cute. And so, it's about getting the things that you want. I had wanted a pair of these. They had a blush pink pair, but the blush pink, I was like, oh no, because if I get anything dirty on them, Mama gonna be mad. So I got, and plus they were $24.99, and I was like, hi, I look. I'm gonna go over my own budget. So I was like, nah. I'm gonna do good. I'm gonna be right. I'm gonna do right. I'm gonna do good. And so, I did. And so I'm so happy with these. I'm gonna show you guys a full shot of this, of how it looks. And I'm gonna make sure I get that for you guys. And so, but in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and then so you guys can see how gorgeous these are. Well, I'm ready for a day out shopping or a day out with the hubby in this long Banana Republic dress that I'm wearing open, my Steve Madden purse, these pants that I picked up from Stein Mart, my blouse with the sparkly rhinestone detail that I thrifted, and my Steve Madden shoes. In outfit 2, I'm ready for game day or just hubby day. In this Abercrombie & Fitch sweatshirt, these pants, of course, that I picked up from Stein Mart, my purse that I have from Express, this camo tote, and my necklace, and I'm ready to go. And so I just throw on these gorgeous, fabulous, so glam Madden Girl shoes, and I just think they go great with any outfit, whether I'm dressing up or dressing down, ready for travel or ready for the world. So what did the man who started it all get? Well, here's what hubby got. All right, so did that, and then hubby went shopping with me, of course. So I want to show you what he got. Okay, all right, so he got these cups, and it's getting ready for Valentine's Day. So it says Boss Lady, Tough Guy, and his were, y'all see that, $5.99. Are they upside down? Yeah, they're $5.99. All right, y'all keeping adding that up. Alrighty. And then, y'all hear my bag. Everything in the bag for you guys. So that's $6. And then he got these. Some more of these, but the big ones. Alright. And they were $8.99. There they are. See that? $8.99, guys. Okay. So, and they're the anchor. And they're, you know, we're on a thing this year to get rid of all of our plastic containers, and so these are glass, so to store food in the refrigerator. So I gotta go cook now. Actually, so what's that, 16? But he didn't have a $20 budget, so I'm just showing you the stuff that he got. Okay, all right. And then he got these, which these are $3.99. So what, 16? Right, so that's $8.99. So that's $9 plus 6, so that's at 15. So, and then $3.99. So that's 15 plus 4 is 19. But he got these, and I like to sometimes take the stuff out of the container that we you know, like juice and stuff, and put it in a glass container. And I like to add like lemon juice, like a juice. I like to add some sparkling water and make some, you know, really spar water, and then add some fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries, cherries, a squeeze of lemon. So we'll get to really use this because we're trying to be good and lose weight. All right, so he's at 19, and then he's so sweet. And then he did not tell me that he did this. I love this man. He did not tell me that he did this. He bought this. I had put this back. Okay, I had put this back. This is Ellen Tracy. It's 32 eyeshadows, but this, I really wanted this, and I was like, shoes or this, shoes. And I had like some pants and some other stuff, and I'll show you a clip of you'll get to see probably already a clip of me shopping, and so all my big basket of stuff I had in there. And yes, so I ended up getting these, and then I put this back, and I was like, I don't know what's going on. So I went and sat outside because, you know, I was pouting a little bit. But I was great. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful for the shoes I got. So grateful for everything I got. But, you know, I was just having a little moment like, I gotta be on a budget. So, but anyway, and so I had put these back, and he went back and he got them, the exact ones that I had looked at, because there were several Ellen Tracy's, and you can get really great makeup at Burlington name brand makeup. And so these were $4.99. I don't know if you can see that on there, but it's $4.99. And so, and it's the ultimate collection, 32 shades. So I'm seeing some shades already in there that I want to use, girlfriend. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. We're going to do more this year. This is very exciting. I'm so excited about all the ladies who are participating in this challenge. I'm so excited about being able to budget this year, being budget conscious this year going into the new year, so that we can really focus on the things that we really, big things that we really, really want to do. And we are setting goals, and we are living luxuriously on the budget. We know that there's nothing that we can't have. There's nothing that we can't do. There's nothing that's out of our reach, because we can have everything that we want. And of course, that's our gym inspiration for this week. You can create the life that you want. You can live the life of your dreams. Yes, it may come on a budget, but honey, you ballin' and you bougie on a budget all day long. And so the brands that you want to have, like, you know, Ellen Tracy and Steve Madden, you can definitely have those things all day long. You can have those things, but it's going to require you to make conscious decisions about shopping, to be conscious about shopping, and to be conscious about your plans and your goals and your budget for the household. You're budgeting for your future. You're budgeting for your life and for your family. And that alone adds value to everything that you do. When you put yourself first and invest in yourself, and you know the dreams that you have for yourself, and you know that God has good plans for you. God has good plans for you. Say it to yourself. God has good plans for you. All right, guys. So I enjoyed this, and I want you to go and you check out all of the ladies who are participating, everyone who's participating in this challenge, to pick out some nice things, awesome things, and to be bougie and balling on a budget all day long with Synolve. We're just having fun together, and I'm glad you guys are on this journey with me. I'm glad that you guys are participating. Virtual hugs. I just love you guys so, so, so much. You just don't know how much you mean to me. Or maybe you do. All right. Thank you again to all of the giveaway winners. We're going to have more giveaways. So if you didn't win that giveaway, hey, stay tuned. There's always next time. All right, guys. I love you so much. You guys stay safe. You guys know how amazing you are, how talented you are, how sweet you are, how courageous you are. All right. And know that you are absolutely worth it. Whatever it is you're dreaming, baby girl, baby boy, you're worth it. You're worth it. All right. Until next time. Love you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.